It's the Deep South's oldest rivalry.
Began in 1892.
112 years of football.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Birmingham Police Department. Residents in an area between 16th and 17th Streets from 108th East Avenue to 109th East Avenue need to stay in their homes. Lock all doors. And are not to come outside as police are pursuing an armed suspect. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Birmingham Emergency Management. City of Mountain Brook residents, please lock all your doors immediately. Police are searching for one escaped inmate from the Birmingham County Jail who have been sighted in Mountain Brook. The suspect is a creature-like female wearing a red t-shirt and blue jeans. It is 10 foot 4 inches tall and 1,359 pounds with black hair and is rolled up like a Christmas tree of some sorts and red eyes. If you have any information, please contact Birmingham County Central Dispatch at 205-869-5288.
Contact.
Shoves him back into the grass. Boy, and what a tackle. And Carlos Rogers this whole year has been very impressive in his open field tackling. That time, he came way up the field to cut off Brown on the handoff and forcing a long third down. Stop.